Hey everyone, today we're going to do an unboxing of the Nothing ear sticks. These are one of the newest headphones, truly wireless headphones from the Nothing company. It's an interesting box that it comes in. Again, the idea of this is that it's just a tube, basically like a lipstick tube. So let's take a look at it here with Nothing. They do have these pull tabs. It is not a resealable box. As you can see, you're actually ripping through and tearing the actual box itself. Each side is going to have this kind of tube to it. We'll just take a look at that. It's actually kind of a nice box. Either way you look at it. Oh, that's the beauty of this. All right, this one, oh nice. Interesting. And that's nothing else in that box. So take a look at this first. So in this tube here, you're gonna get your information as well as a USB-C to USB-C. And that thing is tiny. I'm gonna say that thing's like foot long, not even. Functional though. It's actually kind of a nice braided cord. I don't know if you can see that too well, but it's kind of a braided cord with a plastic on the outside. Kind of interesting actually. Information here, nothing ear stick, safety info. Getting the Nothing X app for Android or iOS. So the nice part about the app is it is going to have functionality for your equalizer, for the actual touch sensitivity, pinch sensitivity for the earbuds as well. So this is just gonna plastic. All right. It's actually very nice. Pretty good quality here. Yeah, it's really nice kind of positive, negative stops that we have going on here. You can see it's a USB-C at the top. There's also the pairing button, this silver button here, which is actually runs nice and flush to the top of the case. Again, it's a little bit kind of different style. Your standard rectangle or square cases that come in all these other headphones. Really what everybody else is used to. But these are nice kind of open ear for people that don't like to have those in-ear silicone tips, which I am definitely that type of person. I like to have my kind of simple feeling in my ear. It's actually kind of nice. And again, you can kind of see these are the Nothing style. They have the kind of clear casing around them with their white or black accents. Really good quality, actually. Nothing did a really good job with these. So what we'll do is we'll do some testing on these, kind of get used to hearing them, working with them, see how they sound, and try to get your review sometime shortly. So as you can tell, it's a round tube, it moves. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. See ya.